How to return an item on Argos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can return an item on Argos. In order to return an item, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So basically, when you're actually returning an item, then you can go to the account section from here. So basically, what you'll have to do is in order to return, first of all, you need to log in and go ahead and select the help icon located in the top right hand side corner. Or else you can go to your account section, and here you'll be able to find the link as recent orders. Just go ahead and tap on it, and over here you can see this is the page where you can see your order. So if you want to return the following order, then you need to go ahead and tap on the help icon located in the top right hand side corner of your screen, and that's going to take you to the help center piece. So unless and until if you don't contact the customer support team, you'll not be able to return an item. So here you need to go ahead and select information as product support and information, return product support and repair. Just go ahead and tap on the following link or the article in order to expand it. Then you'll be provided with the information on how you can actually go on with the procedure. And here, as you can see, there's an instruction on do's and don'ts, so go through it, and accordingly you need to return the product. So that's basically how you can return an item on Argos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.